Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable email notifications in Crunchyroll. Well, it's a very convenient way to stay updated about Crunchyroll by receiving email notifications of Crunchyroll. So in order to get started, all you have to do is just open your favorite browser and in one of the new tabs, just type in crunchyroll.com and you will have a page something like this. And if you are not already logged in, just go ahead and log into your account by clicking on this avatar at this side of the page and selecting the login option. Once entering your credential correctly, you will be logged in and you will have a profile options similar to this one. Now we have settings, that's what we want to select, and there is email notifications section dedicated. Email notification section, let's go ahead and select it. If in your case, clicking on this email notification shows you something went wrong, you just need to enter this link crunchyroll.com/account/notifications and you will have a page something like this. Now select which ones of the notifications you want to receive in your email. All notifications, this is the way to go. Only store deals, newsletter, promotional updates, select the ones that you'd like for your notifications in email and you are all done. That's how you enable email notifications in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding enabling email notifications in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.